What's good with y'all? So right now we are heading over to a friend's house. They just moved into the new spot, so we about to have like the first official home cooked meal in a new spot. And then after that, we'll get back to the crib because I'm gonna be streaming later. You guys be sure to tap into the stream. We stream on Twitch and YouTube. Oh, so sunny. It's raining right now, but I love the rain. I wish it would rain all the damn time. If I had a preferred like weather, like just a light rain all the time. Yeah, so let's go ahead and hit the road and I will catch y'all when I make it to the next destination. Could I get the immune builder? I'm trying to be getting when y'all come to Smoothie King. I've been getting the same smoothie here for like 3 years. I never changed it. It's always the immune builder. Got the oats. It's basically what I'll be making at the crib already anyway. So.
Have a good night.
Hey. Oh, we're here. We're here. Bentley! Bentley! Oh, you're making din-din. What's going on, Bentley?
Excited.
How you been, dude? All right, what we got here? Got some broccoli. Some rotisserie. Some rotisserie. Why they just had a trash bag just outside the door?
I don't know.
That's wild.
It's disgusting.
She got the mood set in here. Got the R&B lighting going. Turn on the light. What's the initial thoughts of the crib?
I think it's more open. Definitely need like a coffee table.
No, I feel like you should like try to keep it as open as possible.
You think?
That's well, you doing the shit my brother be doing. Like he'll have so much space, but he feel like he gotta fill it all up. Like no.
I just want something for like my feet though.
Oh yeah. You probably found that to go with. Definitely get you an area rug though.
You think so?
Mhm. I mean, at least the couch still coordinates with it though. Oh, we gotta see this closet. Is this a closet too?
Yeah, it's way bigger than my other closet there.
Hell yeah. See this closet. Closet number 7. So many damn light switches.
No.
Holy shit. All right, she got a little walk-in vibe. Yeah. No, definitely bigger than the one you had.
Yeah, I could sleep in there if I wanted to.
Yeah, you could. I knew he was going. Yeah, he was like, been a while, man. Just vibing out, huh? I like the little indigenous plates you have here. Thank you. So we got some rotisserie. White rice. And then we got some broccoli. And some pink lemonade. But I do have smoothie. She didn't know I was bringing smoothie. Bone apple titty. She ain't got no sugar for this damn white rice. And she ain't got no hot sauce for this damn rotisserie chicken.
It's good without it. Try it. No. You better not pee in here because I'm not cleaning it.
How many dogs you think done pissed in this elevator?
He probably smells it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like, I'm scared he's gonna have it's like.
All right, we just got back to the crib. We ordered some food. We got some pizza on the way, Little Caesars, and we are about to stream. I was streaming Liza P for about a hot hour before I realized my mic's muted. People were watching me play this game for an hour. I think they didn't say nothing because you can still hear the game. Like, are literally chatting with me, talking, reacting to my gameplay, and literally not saying like, hey, you're muted. All right, so right now we are going to get the hair done. You can see we got the pineapple rocking the Tupac. I ain't affiliated. We're gonna get the hair done, then we're gonna get a haircut, get ready for this trip. We'll pack, get everything ready to go. I will see y'all when we make it to the salon. Hey, Atlanta doing this big one, bro. It's another sunny day out here. I might go back in the house and change, to be honest with you. Feels good. Hit this shoe store real quick. I'm bringing one pair of shoes on my New York trip. Bro, they got these Black History dunks coming out. I definitely want to get those. Stand for those. Those cool. See, I'm big on if the shoe comfortable. If the shoe is comfortable and it look cool, I'll probably rock it. I don't really care about like what's popular. Bro, these making a comeback though. I like the waffle
awful print on the mid. You can't rock those all day long though. So I really gotta be thinking about when I get tennis shoes, what can I wear for an extended period of time? I feel like Adidas is like the most comfortable shoe though that I be getting. These are Crocs, Joe. Crocs be having some silhouettes. Everybody done took off Yeezy's influence for sure though. I've been debating getting some of these. I can't bring myself to do it. Not this silhouette. These right here. I've been debating getting these right here. I want the OG Charles Barkley's, the all white with the blue. I want some twos for real. I literally just saw these the other day. I actually like these. I like the it looks like it's like leather. Like it looks like legit leather chairs. Got some low tops. I just don't be wearing J's like that no more, bro. I feel like J's is like a thing of the past for me. I remember when I first moved here, there was like this story about this American deli here that had a rat. Somebody had recorded a rat in the damn, like, on the fryer. There she is.
What's that?
I'm vlogging.
What the hell?
How you doing?
I'm not about to play with you.
This is the hair. She did good this time. She did her thing. Line right down the middle. Like a sun ray or something. I fuck with it. Okay, it is a new day. We done got the haircut. All looking good. My plane is at 1. I need to offload the rest of these photos off of this SD card and format it so I don't have any extra storage being taken up on my SD card for my camera. Same thing with this. I need to offload this and upload it for y'all. I just bought this carrying like cover case for my Osmo. It literally covers the screen and then it covers like the top if you don't want to have like that bulky actual case that it originally comes with. And now it is the most important part of the trip and getting ready for the trip. We have to now pack. I'm only gonna be there for 5 days. The weather is supposed to be mostly on the cool side. It may or may not snow and rain a couple of the days while I'm there. Same time, I am going to be shooting and like standing for the most part. So I'm going to bring an all-purpose comfortable shoe, bring like 1 pair of like jeans, and then the rest will be like cargo, like sweatpants. I have a all black all-purpose hoodie that I can bring, and then we'll bring 1 bomber jacket. Basically, how I like to pack is bring as little as possible. While I'm there, I do want to thrift, so I'm probably gonna bring back a couple more clothes. We're only gonna be there for 5 days, but we're gonna be wearing clothes for 4. What I wear to the airport and on that day could be the same thing I wear back. I just would have different like socks and boxers on. 1 pair of actual jeans, 2 pair of like sweatpants, and 1 pair of like alternative that can pretty much go with like everything that I would put on. At the end of the day, I am bringing an all-purpose hoodie and an all-purpose jacket just in case it's too cold or it rains or snows on the day, because it says it may or may not rain or snow. And like I said, there may be nights where like I finish with an event and I want to go to another event and like change my fit or something, or I'm just like don't want to rock in the one I was in the whole time. But again, we will see. Like I said, some of these days I'm going to be like out trying just getting content in general of the city, shooting, filming. So yeah, I want to have some options of like what I got on, and I want to be able to take some pics up some fits and shit. But I do have my all-purpose tennis shoes. I'm either going to rock the all white ones of these or these of the all black. I either have the all white ones or all black ones. I was thinking it probably makes sense more to rock the all black ones because I'm doing a lot of walking. All white ones are definitely going to get a lot, very, very dirty, easily dirty. Not the best. So if I wear some all black ones that are comfortable, you really can't lose, you know what I mean? I got to get all my camera stuff. I've literally charged all my batteries and everything. I am bringing the film camera. We are going to bring 2 rolls of Porta 800 and 1 roll of the black and white. Try to get some cities, some ambiance, some lifestyles. You know, I'm gonna try to hit certain spots on the day that I do get there, and on Sunday I'm booked at a couple places like all day. One of the all days is on Sunday, but I'm probably not gonna be at that place all day on Sunday. I would probably wake up, go do what I wanna do on that Sunday, you know, go to where it'd be like a park or wherever to shoot a little bit, and then go to the event until like it's over. And then, you know, that would be the Sunday, that would be the end of like my weekend pretty much. You know, we have our Pocket 3 to, you know, do the vlog and everything. All right, made it through TSA. Now we on our way to our gate. And next time y'all see me, I will be on a plane on our way to NYC. Alright, we made it on the plane. Bro, I'm half awake. I don't know how I didn't get no sleep last night. I got like a good 3 hours. 3 hours, that's max. I don't know how that even happened. The flight actually ain't even that long. We only got 2 hours, like 2 hours and 15 minutes in there. So next time I see y'all, we will be in NYC. I'm gonna vlog as much as possible. I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog in the event.
Welcome on board Frontier Flight Service. Over to LaGuardia. Step out of the aisle and tap on your assigned seat. A, B, and C on the right.
I said we got
DEF, we're going to be your left. Your paramount on the aisle. So overhead bib. Still not been your seat or the seat front. Go home.
It's hot as a slave ship on this damn freaking plane though. I ain't gonna hold you. Found out you can take a shuttle to the hotel, or just like you can take a shuttle from LaGuardia to Times Square, and then my hotel is literally in Times Square. It's like a block or two away from Times Square, so we'll just do that, and it's free. So definitely gonna hit the train. We're gonna try to travel to a couple boroughs. I wanna try some food spots out as well, so just stay tuned for everything. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when we in NYC.